Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Josephine P. Palangka. I am from Philippines. I am 32 years old. I am a single parent. I am so blessed and thankful because I have 3 children, 2 daughters and 1 son. Each of my eldest 15 years old, and the second 14 years old, and the third 9 years old. My height 5'1". I am graduate of Carmen National High School, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I have work experience for 6 years as a domestic helper. 2 years in Kuwait, I was worked there as a babysitter. 2 months old, 5 years old, and 7 years old. And also I have work experience in Saudi Arabia. In 4 years, I served for 6 persons and 1 home. My primary duties and my responsibilities: cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, iron, marketing, gardening, and car wash. Additional, I can take care of the baby, I give him food, milk, vitamins, I can reading up the story, playing, dancing, singing like this. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, I'll let the children come to play. Rain, rain, go away. I want to work in Hong Kong. I want to give my family a better life and future. Mom and sir, if you give me a chance, I will promise to you, I will do my very best, and I am willing to learn and hard work. And I will promise to you, I will respectful, loving, caring to your whole families and to your child. I will promise to you, I will not break my contract as you like me to. Thank you, advance. See you. God bless.